Every product breakthrough begins with an idea, a sketch, a simulation, a conversation that starts with "what if?" Across the research lab, engineering office, and factory floor, ideas are transformed through mechanical innovation, electrical expertise, and creative programming. But too often, the data they're creating to define the product lives in separate worlds, disconnected, duplicated, and out of sync. What if everyone involved in defining new products could work from the same source of truth, where design data is centralized and infused with business data, creating true synergy across the supply chain? That's what is enabled through SAP Engineering Control Center. Here, engineers work with the tools they know best, while SAP Engineering Control Center integrates every product, design, and business data stream, from CAD models to product documents, specifications, materials, bills of materials, and more, into one unified digital product model. Now that design data is infused with business data, there's no time lost to guesswork, rework, or translation. Engineering, sourcing, manufacturing, and service teams can collaborate and innovate with true synergy across the supply chain. Innovation becomes faster, smarter, and more effective because when your ideas, your data, and your people are in sync, you see more, build better, and collaborate without boundaries. With SAP Engineering Control Center, you're not just managing product data, you're igniting connectivity across the entire product lifecycle. Achieve full visibility and streamlined processes where innovation doesn't just meet, it accelerates. Explore SAP Engineering Control Center at sap.com/ECTR.